And yes, and tonight it's again all about the island of Maui with our featured guest.
Kelano ke kumo. Akako e puana kwai o Maui no ka oi.
Yeah.
Olega mai kako, Maui. O Maui. O Maui no ka oi. Oi. Alright, when we say oi, it means the best or better than. So, o Maui no ka oi means Maui's the best, Maui's the awesome. And that way I can pull my Maui heritage.
Yeah.
Because yes, on my mother's side, my family is from Maui. So we say Maui no ka oi. And Maui is the best. And tonight we do have one of Maui's finest. In fact, by the way, did you know I went to school with her? I get to say I went to school with her.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Wow. That means, okay, you have the honor of bringing on not only a wonderful kumo, not only a wonderful hoku winner, singer, incredible artist, fabulous person, but classmates.
Well,
I have more grades than her, so yeah, I thank you right away. Mahalo nui. You just outed me. I'm older.
just a little.
Just little.
Small guy.
Little bit.
Okay. Well, Kumo, would you do the introduction tonight then?
Where do I begin? E haawi mo e ka leo mahalo anui no ko kako launa ana mahalo nui o ko e ka hu ke anaina ka lehu no ke kipa ana mai I keia papahana. Kipa mai no I keia o kona nui nights e ia ho I kako e makaukau a e ho o manawa nui nei no ka leo nahe ka leo nani. O miss na kua grade. Me ka hula, me ka mahalo, na lei ka maka o ka.
Oh, Maui, Papa, I kani au. Kalulu, kau baka non aya o ia. Na kai ai o laila o kawa ewa kama no kapelali o kai no ko hauna kareli o kawan o lo e o ke kuma ka alaneo o la e lo he kama kui o na kabua o piti lani wahine puka mai kamako kai o ole pau o kaula hea o kamalu no leila mai o ke o kalole ke ina nai hana o kalakau ke ina nai kai ko mawila kai goi wei ka ke anu li ka wa ka ballo he ua he no he pa he nai mai kia ai ki mai na kai nei i mai na ka bu na ka mo e alai. Present to you the ladies of Halaunali Ho'oka'oka. We were very honored in April to compete at the Mary Monarch Hula competition, and in that we took, and we continue to take the story of Lono Makua, the ancestor of Pele, our fire goddess, who teaches her, it's Lono Makua who teaches the goddess how to hone in her fire making skills.
Leo de acá, leo capo, y una mai e hawa ia u I ke kaula wai makanui Ke hala mai pume ka umaulani E akua kino no he kino ka o hao O lono la kamaka o aula te kino Ke kiki mai e hawa ia u I ke kaula wai makanui Hio no kalai o ka poha Hio kale o ka ala Kiki he koki o koki ave ave ula Ue kale o ka manu Kale o koi wai makanui O hino hanakani Kau o kilawe ai ke ahie Hio no kalai o ka poha Hio kale o ka ala Kiki he koki o koki ave ave ula Ue kale o ka manu Kale o koi wai makanui O hino hanakani Kau o kilawe ai ke ahie Kunia la vela ke ole awa ke alele iuna Ika aino ino ake apo ahine Ko puna ika ua awa awa pa Ika wahi kanaka Kau na ika wahi a pelela hae Kunia la vela ke ole awa ke alele iuna Ika aino ino ake apo ahine O puna ika ua awa awa pa Ika wahi kanaka Kau na ika wahi a pelela hae Hei no